Court to hand over Sushant Singh Rajput's case to the CBI and fully cooperate in the investigation process. I hope the investigation will not be carried on, as was done with Dr. Narendra Davolkar murder case, also under the investigation by the CBI, which commenced in 2014 and remains unsolved. Unquote. The latest reaction coming in from NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, questioning the central agency and its capability. And Prakash is live with us this morning. Prakash, yesterday we saw what Anil Deshmukh had to say. The Maharashtra government, I beg your pardon, not ruling out the probability of a parallel investigation, despite Supreme Court making it very clear that it is the CBI that will be taking over the case. And now you have another reaction coming in from Sharad Pawar, questioning the capability of the central agency.
Well, they have no option left now, but as the CBI inquiry has been ordered by the Supreme Court, and Sharad Pawar making it very clear now, he's made a satirical statement that the CBI should not take long because it has taken long in a lot of cases. And since this is a very high-profile case, so the Supreme Court would also be monitoring it. Henceforth, the CBI will step up its investigation. As a matter of fact, there is no doubt that there are long pending cases in the Supreme Court, which still remains unresolved. But since this case is a high-profile case, we feel that the investigation would be stepped up and speedy trial would be done.
Prakash, but there's a pattern that is clearly emerging. How swiftly the Maharashtra government is sliding the entire issue in another direction now, because for the longest time they kept opposing a CBI probe, kept talking about how the Maharashtra police is capable of solving it, with the absolute truth coming out, which clearly didn't happen, and now questioning the capability of the CBI by coming out with these kind of statements.
Well, they have no option but to criticize the CBI inquiry that has been ordered by the Supreme Court. And as far as the